Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your PC, then navigate to the official YouTube website. In the Chrome address bar, you'll see a small install icon, a computer with a down arrow to the far right side. Just click on this icon and a pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install YouTube. Click on Install button to proceed. Once installed, the YouTube app icon will appear on your desktop and in the Start menu for quick access. You can now launch YouTube directly like a standalone app. It opens as a standalone app, it provides a quicker access than navigating through the browser, and it is fully integrated with your Windows system for seamless operations. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.